The EV war is officially over. And Toyota didn't win it with hype. They won it with one brutal move. Out of nowhere, the so-called sleeping giant just dropped a $17,999 electric vehicle, and nobody saw it coming. Not Tesla, not BYD, not the venture-backed startups burning billions just to survive. With one quiet launch, Toyota didn't join the EV race. They reset it. For years, we were told EVs had to be expensive. Batteries cost too much. R&D takes forever. Affordable EVs were years away. Meanwhile, Tesla pushed past $50,000. Lucid climbed to $80,000 and beyond. And Toyota stayed silent. Until now. Because what they just released doesn't just threaten competitors, it threatens to bankrupt entire business models. And no, this isn't some stripped-down compliance car. This is a real EV. Real range. Real tech. Real safety. At half the price of its rivals. If you think this is just another electric car, you're wrong. This is a statement, a warning shot, and the beginning of total chaos in the EV market. Backhand index pointing right. If you care about the future of cars, energy, and where prices are really headed, hit like and subscribe now, because once you see what Toyota just did, there's no going back. And stay with me, because the most shocking part isn't the price. It's how Toyota pulled this off, and what comes next could wipe out half the industry. While the world was distracted by flashy launches and viral concepts, Toyota played the long game. On May 16, 2025, in a quiet corner of China, no global press tour, no influencer hype, Toyota dropped the hammer. The car? The all-new Toyota BZ5. And let's be clear right now, this is not a bare-bones city EV built to meet regulations. The BZ5 is a fully electric, long-range crossover, built on Toyota's ETNGA modular platform, and powered by something even more controversial, a BYD Blade LFP battery. Yes, that BYD, Tesla's biggest rival in China. And that's when it clicked. Toyota didn't just build a cheap EV. They cracked the code. Affordability and reliability, safety and range, scale and profit, all for less than half the price of a Tesla Model Y. For years, critics mocked Toyota. Too slow, too cautious, falling behind. But Toyota wasn't falling behind. They were loading the cannon. While Tesla chased headlines and BYD scaled aggressively inside China, Toyota doubled down on hybrids, quietly dominating global markets with vehicles like the Prius. At the same time, they invested in solid-state battery research, AI-driven manufacturing, global EV supply chains, modular platforms designed for scale. They weren't chasing clicks. They were preparing for this moment. The ETNGA platform allows Toyota to adapt production across regions without starting from scratch. Different markets, different regulations, same core architecture. Combine that with BYD's ultra-safe, low-cost Blade battery, and suddenly you have an EV that can go head-to-head with $40,000 competitors at under $20,000. That's not luck. That's war strategy. Think about this. While Tesla is still working through 4,680 battery scaling issues, while quality control problems pop up across multiple gigafactories, Toyota is shipping a finished product. Tested, reliable, ready, and they can build it at scale, something startups simply can't match. So what does a $17,999 Toyota EV really offer? A lot more than anyone expected. The BZ5 comes with 2 battery options, 342 miles of range, up to 391 miles, CLTC cycle, a massive 15.6-inch touchscreen, over-the-air updates, advanced driver assistance systems, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Inside, it doesn't feel cheap, feels refined, minimalist design, premium materials, more Lexus than bargain bin. You even get features competitors lock behind high trims, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, JBL sound system, yes, even a fragrance diffuser. This isn't entry-level. This is democratized luxury. Backhand index pointing right. Pause here. Would you buy an EV like this at $17,999? Drop your answer in the comments. Here's where Toyota becomes truly dangerous. This car isn't designed just for the US or Europe. It's built for India, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and Africa markets where Tesla barely exists. In those regions, price matters more than branding. Charging infrastructure is limited. Reliability is non-negotiable. Toyota already dominates these markets. They have factories across Japan, China, the US, Thailand, Argentina. Dealer networks in over 170 countries. Service infrastructure competitors can't replicate. They're not asking people to adapt to EVs. They're adapting EVs to people. And Toyota isn't ignoring charging either. They've committed to 30,000 plus charging ports in North America by 2030, including underserved areas. That's how you win adoption, not with hype, but with access. Now here's the part that should make every automaker nervous. Toyota isn't stopping with LFP. They're going all in on solid-state batteries. We're talking 10-minute full charges, over 620 miles of range, safer chemistry, lighter weight, minimal degradation. This isn't a lab fantasy. Toyota has been developing this tech for over a decade, and they're targeting 2027 for mass deployment. When solid-state hits the market, lithium-ion instantly looks outdated. And unlike others, Toyota didn't burn billions chasing vaporware. They waited, they refined, they prepared to scale. Right now, the EV world looks like this. Tesla dominates software and autonomy, but struggles with cost. BYD dominates China, but lacks true global reach. Toyota holds affordability, global manufacturing, trusted reliability, next-gen battery tech. They sold over 10 million vehicles in 2024 alone, 5 times Tesla's volume. They're not building a brand. They are the brand. And now, with the BZ5, they just attacked the market from below, where competitors are weakest. This isn't adaptation anymore. It's a reassertion of control. Toyota didn't rush the EV transition because the world wasn't ready. Infrastructure wasn't there. Battery costs were unstable. Supply chains were fragile. So they built hybrids. They built trust. They built profit. And now they're flipping the switch. 15 new EVs by 2027. 1 million EVs per year. Affordable, scalable, global. The EV war didn't end with a bang. It ended with a quiet, surgical strike. Backhand index pointing right. If this changed how you see the EV future, hit like. Backhand index pointing right, tell me in the comments. Did Toyota just outplay everyone? Backhand index pointing right and subscribe, because what comes next, solid-state dominance, is going to rewrite everything. Toyota just redrew the battle lines. And this is only the beginning.